if your iPhone keeps going into sleep mode and silencing notifications. I'll show you how to turn it off so you don't miss anything. Let's get started. Method 1. Turn off sleep mode from Control Center. The fastest way to turn off sleep mode is through the Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Look for the focus button, which may say sleep. If it is highlighted, tap it once to turn it off. Your iPhone should now return to normal mode. Method 2. Turn off sleep mode in Settings app. If sleep mode keeps turning on automatically, go to Settings, locate Focus, and tap on Sleep. Scroll the screen all the way to delete the sleep focus. Delete this to turn off sleep mode completely. Method 3. Check for scheduled sleep mode. If your iPhone keeps entering sleep mode at certain times, go to Settings, then scroll to Focus, then tap on Sleep. Now click on Schedule and Options. If a schedule is set up, tap it and turn Toggle off so sleep mode does not activate automatically. Method 4. Turn off sleep mode in Health app. Sometimes, sleep mode is controlled by your Health app. Go to Health, then choose Sleep, and check if you have a sleep schedule enabled. If so, turn it off to prevent your phone from entering sleep mode at night. And that's it. Now, your iPhone won't automatically enter sleep mode, and you'll receive all your notifications as usual. I hope this helped, and I will see you at the next one.